Today we are reading Meet Bluey's Friends. After the video, stay tuned for reading questions and educational activity ideas for no prep, home, or school learning. Visit laurenmartinbooks.com for more free learning resources and access to my printable and play-based curriculums. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories with comprehension questions. Now let's read Meet Bluey's Friends. Rusty is Bluey's friend from the bush. He can be a brave knight, attention, a soldier, and he loves to play cricket, especially with his little sister Dusty. What a catch! Chloe loves playing with Bluey. I'm an electric eel. Zit! She is kind and happy to help, except when she's a greedy queen. Freeze! Indy is super creative. She likes to play mums and dads. Here, Polly, I'm off to work. And sometimes she works at Bluey's fish and chip shop. The terriers want enough fish and chips to feed an army. Snickers has little sausage dog legs and a long body that's great for hiding. Sometimes he has trouble sitting down, but he can roll down hills really fast. Mackenzie is from New Zealand. He is an awesome spy. He likes racing barky boats, woo, woo, and playing at the creek. How do you like your nails, Bluey's dad? Coco and Bluey met when they were babies. She has 8 brothers and sisters. That's Coco. Sometimes she tries to bend the rules. Maybe you can have crocodile-proof shoes. But rules make it fun. We did it. Lucky is Bluey's neighbor. He loves playing sports, especially footy. A good game of cricket with Rusty, and playing doctors with his friends too. Honey is a very good kitten. Meow. She can be serious when she needs to be. Stop, what's the password? But knows how to make her friends laugh. What was your favorite part of this book? Which friends did you meet first, next, then, and last? What are the different settings in the story? When and where did the different scenes take place? Who is in the story? Name the characters and describe their traits. What do they look and act like? Go back and scroll through and review all of Bluey's friends. Then write or draw about your favorite or all of them. You can also compare each of them to real people in your own life. Do you have friends who are creative, who like sports, who are kind? List the traits of Bluey's friends and think of people in your life, your friends and family, who have those traits. You can also make drawings of all of Bluey's friends, your favorite, your own friends and family, and write or discuss their personality traits and what you love doing with them. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories with comprehension questions, drawing, and writing activities. Visit laurenmartinbooks.com for printable and play-based no-prep learning activities. Thank you for reading with me.